안녕하세요, teacher.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver for KitKat.
Yes. KitKat is not here. So I will receive the lang.
Okay.
I will take a video
So
right after.
she have 2 packs of choco pie and 50 pieces of puto cheese for her. And that is from SB Nim.
SB님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for KitKat.
Okay.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay. So I'm here to deliver for Mary. She have 50 pieces of puto cheese and Zonaiza is
Zunaya.
Zonaya. Zonaya.
Zunaya.
Zonaya is in
Zunaya's house is too far from here, so I will just give it to her later.
here's the 50 pieces of puto cheese. Okay. And that is from SG Nim.
SJ님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Zunaya.
Okay, bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Teacher Zel.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver for Desiree. She have 3 box of choco pie and 50 pieces of puto cheese, and that is from SB Nim.
SB님, 안녕하세요.
Okay.
Kamsahamnida for the choco pie and puto cheese for Desiree.
And also Isara.
Sarah.
She have 40 pieces of puto cheese from Udang Nim.
Odanim, 안녕하세요. Kamsahamnida for the puto cheese of Isara.
And lastly, We Param Nim gives for Joanna 40 pieces of puto cheese, and also for Angeline.
We Paranim, 안녕하세요. Kamsahamnida for the puto cheese for Joanna and Angeline.
Okay. Please take a video na lang, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Chloe.
안녕하세요.
So I'm here to deliver your 20 pieces of puto cheese for you. And since Angeline and Kyla is in the school right now, so I will give you their puto cheese, so you will take a video after they arrive. Okay, 20 pieces of choco pie each, so for the total of 60 pieces. Okay, and that is from Gurum's Sironim.
Gurum Sayanim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Cell.
안녕하세요.
Okay, I'm back.
Yes.
So, I'm here to deliver the puto cheese 100 pieces for Marry Me. Okay, and that is from We Param Nim.
We Paranim, 안녕하세요. Kamsahamnida for the puto cheese of Mary May.
Okay, and Tolbo Nim gives 500 pesos for Marry Me, Angeline, Joanna, and also for Isara. Okay, for their allowance, 500 each.
Tolbonim, 안녕하세요. Kamsahamnida for the allowance of Isara, Mary May, Joanna, and Angeline.
Okay,
Kamsahamnida.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Siren.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Manag school? Mana? Sure? Okay. So I'm here to deliver your 50 pieces of puto cheese, and that is from Gurum Sironim.
Gurum Sayanim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. So since Eliza and Junlin is in the school right now and there is no teacher will receive their delivery, so please give them na lang. Okay, for Eliza and Junlin, they have 40 pieces of puto cheese each, so 4 box each, tag 10 man ang sod ano niya. Okay, and that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Kim Saramnim, 감사합니다 for John and Eliza.
Okay,
감사합니다.
thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the 50 pieces of puto cheese for Caitlin. You have 50 pieces in there. Please kuha. And for Queenie, since the 2 teachers are in school, and also Queenie, Rachel mom. Please take a video te ha. For Queenie te. 50 pieces of puto cheese. And that is from SG Nim.
SG 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Queenie.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Virgie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Jimal is in the school
Yes.
today. So please receive his 50 pieces of puto cheese. Okay, and that is from SG Nim.
SG 님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Jmar.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Jmar.
안녕하세요.
So, SG 님 give you 50 pesos of puto cheese.
SJ님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, teacher.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Genevieve is in school
Yes, whole day.
whole day. Okay. So please give her the delivery and take a video. 50 pieces of puto cheese from SG Nim.
SG 님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Genevieve's puto.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Genevieve. 안녕하세요. Wag pa kabot gikan eskwelahan. How was your day, man? Okay ra? Did you study well? Yes. Yeah, very good. So, SJ Nim gave you 50 pieces puto cheese.
SG님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
SJ Nim, kamsamida. Bye-bye.
So today you give me a 2,000 to buy my school supplies, PE uniform, and my allowance 500. And this is my school supplies and my PE. We have here watercolor, acrylic color, highlighter, pencil color, glitter, tree eraser, and ruler, and pencil case, hair clip for my hair, and glue, scissor, and 1/4 sheet of paper, and correction tape, 1 red ball pen, 2 red ball pen na black, and pencils, and hair clip 2 for my hair, and scrunchie, and socks. And this is my PE uniform. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, Kim Young Sunim gave 400 pesos for Jaira. And 2 box of choco pie from Kim Young Sunim to Damia.
김영수님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.